That's what they tell me. A matcher for $500,000. We need to continue every single dollar. You can Venmo Special Children's Center. We need your help now. 732-800-0380. We need to keep going. We need to keep climbing. We sing in the rain. This is what we do, Baruch. This is how you do it. Fantastic. Continue. The numbers are rising as we go. We have another 2 hours. And we have a great program. And we're about to sing you a song. I want to dedicate this song to Harry Adjemi and family. Harry Adjemi, fantastic energy you bring throughout the years of what you do for us. The Special Children's Center is embedded in your heart. This song was written for a guy like you. You always walk around no matter what the story is and you say, Shabbat Shem Olam.